I think we played this song like about 15 years ago together, John Cordes. There's Keiki in the house, yeah, there's all kinds of Keiki. I think all the kids are out of school now. Because in our valley, in Kulio, there are any kids in the playground and walking around, so everybody should be out of school by today, yeah, definitely. And this goes out to all the Keiki, young and old, as long as they're children of the land, they're good to go. So my sister wrote quite a while back, and John and I used to play together with our Crater Boys, and I think we did that song like about 15 years and about 50 pounds ago. not for you, John, the 50 pounds is me. Something called Cake Yoka Aina. Listen to the ancient stories. Listen to 105.1. Listen to the ancient stories. Hawaiian Fine Radio. Listen to the ancient stories. Mauna na song for Cake Yoka Aina song. Thank you.